How can you get started with sustainability? Here are 5 resources for you to crush your carbon footprint. First up, B Corp certification. They have a great impact assessment. Great questions for you to assess your impact in a lot of different areas. And you can compare your impact to other folks in your industry and then give you ideas for you to improve that impact. Second up, your energy provider. They have a lot of resources for you. They even give folks, this is Excel Energy in Colorado, a custom energy analysis. Dive into your facility and come up with custom ideas for you to drive down your energy usage. Third up, the Brewers Association and their sustainability benchmarking tool. Great resource for you to, like the first one, benchmark yourself against other folks in the industry and see where you're at, see where some low-hanging fruit, see where you're in the 25th percentile versus the 75th percentile. And lots of ideas on how to drive down that carbon footprint with Hal from Drake Brewing Company and his Practical Sustainability for the Modern Brewery Guide. Each of these process areas he dives into and gives lots of takeaways that you can go implement at your facility, like these 2 that I'm going to highlight, the pallet wrap and the rubber band that you can reuse and reduce your shrink wrap usage. Lastly, as you're coming up with these great ideas around driving down your carbon footprint, improving your sustainability, enter it into our tool here and we'll prioritize it for you. Just come up with the top 15 and then give you a great visualization on what you should be focused on. You can't focus on everything. You need to focus on the top 2 or 3 ideas, implement those, and come back around and implement the next ideas. Hope those 5 resources very valuable to you. Let us know what you think and add some more resources to this.